Welcome to my brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, make money online, traffic generation, lead generation, working from home and online jobs. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you're going to see a red subscribe button just like this anywhere on this page. Below this video, just smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get all my future video notifications. Don't miss out on any videos because I'm coming up with some cool videos that's going to help you break through and create a successful 4, 5 and 6 figure internet business. So let's dive into this video, how to get unlimited traffic to your affiliate links, whether it's Clickbank, whether it's Warrior Plus, whether it's your own website. Traffic is the king in this business. If you don't know how to get traffic, you can't make money. So if you learn how to get traffic, you could make a lot of money. I'm going to show you some traffic sources, and I am also going to show you the benefit of this traffic source. All right, now there are so many ways to generate traffic: PPC, PPV, media buy, and so many other traffic sources. But we're going to talk about solo ads, and I'm going to give you 3 solo ad vendors today that I have used in the past, and in fact one of them I'm still using, and you could take it from there and start getting traffic from these people. These 3 solo ad vendors has quality traffic. What's the benefit of solo ad traffic? You get to build a list rapidly fast, it's beginners friendly, and then you get to email your list with different opportunities, different offers, providing value, and you could make insane amounts of commissions. So the first solo ad vendor is called Matija. I don't know if you know this guy, but he's been recommended by some of the top gurus. I've also used this guy previously. So you could come here and you could see that this guy is selling traffic, and he does have quality traffic. All right. Now, before you purchase, you don't need to follow my recommendations, okay? You do your own intelligence research about the guys I recommend, and if you feel comfortable, then you go ahead and purchase traffic from these people. So you could see here that he's selling uh quality traffic, 2,000 clicks. All right, 1,500 clicks, that's his highest package. And if I scroll down, is he selling only top tier as well? And you can see that he's got testimonial after testimonial, right? Salesforce, and this one doesn't have any sales, you could see here. So you just don't want to look for anything that says very good traffic, got so many opt-ins. You want to look for sales, yes. All right, so he's got so much to offer down here. You might want to come to his website. All right, it's called Matija Solo. Matija Solos. If you just go to, like, let me just show you this. All right, so if I just move this a bit, it's matijasoloads.com. All right, so that's one website. The second network is called Palab Solo Ads. This guy has very quality traffic as well, right? So you could come here, purchase traffic, start off with one. Don't just get crazy, all right, just buying traffic simultaneously from all of them, unless you're an advanced marketer. So you could check it out. He's got so many testimonials here as well. Let's just go straight to the clicks and see how much he's selling for. Now, there's one downside to these networks, that they have this old version pick about the opportunities and offers that you can promote. So you could see here, iPass 2, that is very old. It's no longer, it doesn't exist anymore. You could see Digital Altitude is a high ticket opportunity that is closed down long time ago. Mob closed down long time ago. Techademics closed down long time ago. And then Project Breakthrough closed down long time ago. High Traffic Academy doesn't exist. All right, so there are so many things that doesn't exist. So these opportunities, they were added long time ago, and they haven't updated it. I highly recommend they update it. So you could come here, you could look at the video, you could look at the testimonials, and then if you're happy with your traffic, then you could purchase traffic from these guys. All right, so that's the second one. All right, and the website is palabgosal.com/solo ads. All right, Gosal is spelled with Ghosal. Okay, so and the third one, which I am purchasing traffic, is called Tim P soloads.com. That is Tim P soloads.com. I still purchase traffic from this guy. He's got very quality traffic. All right, if you come here and look at this, he's got the same old pick, but who cares? All right, I still purchase traffic from this guy. And if you come down, you could start buying traffic from this guy as well. All right, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get future updates. Now, what's the benefit of purchasing traffic using solo ads? It's beginners friendly, and you could build a high quality list very quickly. All right, and when you build a list, you could send out emails. Let me just show you. Okay, there you go. I'm going to press this send message now, send now, and I am sending an email out to 42,000 subscribers. You heard that right, 42,000 subscribers. I'm going to send another email out using another opportunity. Now, this is a great opportunity, my friend. All right, this is a website where this program is giving me 200 leads daily without driving any traffic, without having to build any funnels, and not just I'm getting 200 leads daily, but actually I could use this program to send an email out to these 200 leads. It's so powerful, my friend. So much powerful. All right. So if you want access to this program where you don't have to drive traffic, you don't have to like build a funnel, all right, and you could use their program to send out emails, all right, and you get, as soon as you start getting 100 leads every single day. That is 36,000 subscribers a year. Then go here. All right, here's the website, and there's going to be a link in the description box below this video as well. All right, if you click on that link in the description box below this video, or you could head over to this website here, you're going to come to this system where you will get 100 subscribers daily without having to drive any kind of paid traffic or free traffic, without having to have build any kind of funnels whatsoever. And you could use this program to send an email, and I'm going to show you live. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to select the leads that I have. I'm getting 200 leads every single day into my account. All right, why 200 leads? Because first, once you join, you get 100 leads, and second, as soon as you refer one person, they will give you a bonus of extra 100 leads daily. So that's why I'm getting 200 leads daily. So when you join, you're going to start getting 100 leads every single day. If you refer someone, you're going to start getting 200 leads every single day. So I'm going to select all, and there you go. It's 3,900 leads. That just shows that I have joined recently, and so far it's looking good. All right, so I'm gonna load one of my emails that I already have inside. So I'm gonna just select this one, load it, boom, there you go. And that should load my email as well. There you go, it's loaded the email out, and I'm just gonna press the send email now button, and there you go, that email is gonna go out to all those 3,900 leads, and you get real traffic. Let me show you the statistic. Check this out. Check this out. Look at this. I've been sending out these emails. The email open rate and click-through rate so far is looking better than the autoresponders. How about that? Better than the autoresponder. Check this out. Only 3,500 people received my email. 58 clicks. 3,300. 73 clicks. 51 clicks. 51 real people clicked my link. 63 clicks. Check this out. I sent an email out to only 800 people. 124 people clicked my link. The open rate, click-through rate is looking way better than the autoresponder. Now imagine me having 30,000, 40,000, 100,000 subscribers in this. I believe this is very, very powerful. All right. So if you're looking into this and you want to join something where you can get traffic on demand by pushing button, all right, pushing a button and start receiving traffic by just sending out one email, blasting an email out, and where you can get 100 subscribers daily, every single day on completely autopilot, head over to this website address here right now. Go to this website address and you will able to join the program and start getting 100 leads daily. There's going to be a link in the description box below this video as well. All right. So that's all for now. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what is stopping you. It's not even going to cost you any money and it's not even going to take any time. It only takes 2 seconds. Smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get my future update video notifications. This red subscribe button should be below this video or on the right hand side. Wherever you're seeing it, just smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you have questions, leave a comment and I will be answering your questions. See you in the next video.